In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files on GoDaddy. To get started, the first thing you need to do is open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Make sure you're using the correct account so you can access the right website. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure everything has loaded properly before moving to the next step. After that, go to your profile area. This is where you can manage your account and quickly access the products connected to it. When you click into your profile, look for the option called My Products. This section shows all the services and websites you currently have under your GoDaddy account. Next, click on My Products, and then find the website you want to work on. If you have more than one website, double-check that you're selecting the correct one before continuing. This is especially important if you manage multiple projects, because you want to upload the file to the right site. Once you've found your website, click on it and look for the Edit Website option. This will open the website editor, where you can make changes to your site's content and layout. Give it a few seconds to load fully so all editing tools appear on the screen. Inside the website editor, the next step is to click Add Section. This allows you to insert a new content area onto your page. Depending on your layout, you may need to scroll a little to find the best place to add the new section. Choose the area where you want the file-related content to appear so it fits naturally with the rest of your page. After clicking Add Section, type File into the search area to quickly find the right section or feature. Once the File option appears, click on it. This helps you add a section designed for sharing or displaying files directly on your website. From there, you can freely add the file and upload it. Select the file you want from your device, wait for the upload to finish, and make sure it appears correctly in the editor. If your file takes a little time to upload, that's normal, especially if it's larger. Before finishing, it's a good idea to review how the file section looks on the page. Make sure everything is placed correctly and is easy for visitors to find. If needed, adjust the section placement so it matches the design of your site. And that's it. That's how to upload files on GoDaddy using the website editor. Once your file is added, you'll be able to include it on your site quickly and easily.